For our top 5 Whisper Quiet RV air conditioner, we bring you another carefully researched breakdown to help you choose the perfect cooling solution for peaceful RV living. Our channel uploads quality videos daily so you can stay informed about the best products on the market. Number 1. Furrion FACR 14SA PS Rooftop AC Unit. This rooftop AC unit from Furrion is slightly cheaper than the other models on this list, but still includes all the important features. It has a BTU rating of 14,500, which is enough for most standard-sized RVs. It features a 2-fan design that helps it circulate air more quickly than other models. This also means it's more energy efficient, which is ideal when you're running it off a generator. The unit has something called vibration smart technology, which simply means it has rubber dampeners fitted. Its outside operating volume is 80 dB, although it's much quieter in the RV thanks to the dampeners. You can set the temperature range between 60 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, but the unit also has technology so it can operate in extreme temperatures. This means that even when it's very hot outside, it should keep your RV cool. Number 2. Dometic Brisk 2 Rooftop Air Conditioner. The Dometic Brisk 2 is a good pick for a quiet RV air conditioner because of its high performance and sleek design. Dometic has made various improvements to its original design, such as improved materials, better energy consumption, and a new base pan. You can choose from either 13,500 or 15,000 BTU, which is its cooling power. The lower option will be fine for most areas, but choose greater cooling power if you're traveling further south. You'll notice the difference somewhere like Texas. The AC unit comes with damping brackets, which help to reduce vibration. In turn, this cuts noise pollution massively. You can install the unit in either ducted or non-ducted systems, meaning you shouldn't need to make any alterations to your RV. It comes with a gasket that fits into the vehicle's roof and is fairly easy to install. Number 3. Step 2. DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner. Buying a quiet RV air conditioner doesn't always mean opting for a rooftop unit. For example, this portable AC unit from DeLonghi can be a great option for larger RVs. It stands on the floor and simply plugs into a regular wall outlet. It has a 51-inch hose that you poke out a window to let the warm air out. This makes it really easy to set up and run in an RV. It has a noise rating of 52 decibels, which is up to 50% less than other portable units. In short, it's pretty quiet and will be suitable for use while sleeping. What's more, it comes with a whisper mode that's even quieter. Some users did report a rattling sound after running the unit all day, but this is easy to fix by simply giving it a break every now and then. While this isn't ideal in hot climates, it's not designed like a static AC unit. Plus, it should run fairly smoothly in a small space like an RV. Number 4. Black Decker BPACT 10WT Portable Air Conditioner. This portable model is a good choice for a quiet RV air conditioner. It's compact, energy efficient, and light enough to move around. This last feature is helpful because it's designed to cool rooms up to 150 square feet. It's a floor-standing unit that comes with an exhaust hose and window adapter. You simply plug it into a wall outlet, turn it on, and it'll start cooling. It's really easy to control using the remote, which allows you to adjust fan speed and temperature. The unit has an operating noise of 75 dB, which is equivalent to a washing machine. It also has a sleep setting that reduces the noise, allowing you to keep it running while you sleep. For an AC unit, this is fairly quiet. It also comes with a dehumidifier setting and an air filter, both of which are useful in an RV. Number 5. Atwood 1507 Ducted AC Unit. This AC unit from Atwood is the most powerful one on this list. It has a BTU rating of 16,000, which is more than enough to cool the inside of an RV quickly and efficiently. While it doesn't come with a dB rating, plenty of users reported it is much quieter than other rooftop AC units they'd used. When set to low speed mode, the fan apparently makes almost no noise. The unit comes with a wireless remote that allows you to control temperature, fan speed, and the sleep timer. It also has a digital temperature readout so you can know exactly what you're setting it to. Perhaps the only real downside is that it's only compatible with ducted systems. So if you have a non-ducted air conditioner system in your RV, look for a different unit. In fact, Atwood does an equivalent non-ducted model,